I'm going to show you how to build an AI receptionist that answers calls 24/7. The reason I did this is for my own business. I was having troubles on the weekends. People would call, or I was on vacation, and being a business owner, you get busy and maybe you're in other meetings and you just can't always answer your phone. So I'm showing today how this AI receptionist is helping my business. And I'm going to kind of walk through some scenarios that I've done in the past. So enough of that. We're going to jump in and just try to stump it a little bit and show you some of the things that it does.
Thanks for calling Watermark Design. This is Finn. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I need to get my website updated.
Absolutely, I can help with that. Could I get your name, your business name, and the best phone number to reach you? That way I can make sure we have your details before we move forward.
Yeah, John Smith, 212-300-1457.
Thanks, John. And what's the name of your business?
John Smith Electrical.
Great, thank you. Just to confirm, your phone number is 212-300-1457, and your business is John Smith Electric. Is that right? Would you like to schedule a consultation to discuss your website update?
Yeah, I would.
Here are a couple of options for your consultation. On Thursday, July 23rd at 12 p.m. or 12:30 p.m. Do either of those work for you?
12 p.m. works.
Perfect. Could you please provide your email address so we can send you the booking confirmation?
johnsmithelectrical.com.
Thanks for that. Just to confirm, is your email johnsmith@electrical.com?
Correct.
You're all set for Thursday, July 23rd at 12 p.m. You'll get a confirmation at johnsmith.electrical.com. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
That's it.
Thanks for calling, John. Have a wonderful day.
So what do you do if it's a past customer that's reaching out? They can automatically ask for Mark, myself here, and it'll transfer the call to me. Another thing that comes up sometimes, you get solicitors. They're trying to sell you something. I've trained my AI receptionist to not waste its minutes and rack up a bill talking to a solicitor. It'll actually politely end the conversation by different cues that I've taught it in the knowledge base, and then just hang up on them. And also, what does it do for a new lead? It tries to move them to a booked appointment with me. Those are some of the things here. So I made just kind of a little graphic here to show you. I kind of explained it a little bit before we jump into the AI receptionist and do a test call. But those are some of the main things that I'm talking about today. Just with qualifying leads, never missing a call. It's better than a voicemail or a missed call text back. It books appointments, instant updates. It sends me a text reminder that somebody just called me, and it'll give me an overview of what the call and the conversation was about directly to my phone. It handles a lot of questions. I have, I think, 19 different things I uploaded, knowledge base documents that talk about my business and how to handle questions. So it can answer a lot of common questions that I answer over the phone and give a rough estimate. So those are some of the main things here today, and we're going to talk about that. We're just going to jump in.
Thanks for calling Watermark Design. This is Finn. How can I help you today?
Hey, I'm looking for a website.
Great, I can help with that. Could I get your name, your business name, and the best phone number to reach you?
Yeah, Mark Haugsted, 123-123-1234 is my phone number. You can reach out to me at gowatermarkdesign@gmail.com.
Thanks, Mark. Just to confirm, your phone number is 123-123-1234, and your email is gowaterworksdesign@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yep.
Also, could you share your business name?
Watermark Design.
Perfect. Thanks for confirming. So you're interested in a new website for Watermark Design. Would you like to schedule a consultation to discuss your project and next steps?
Not right now. I just kind of wanted to get an idea of what that looks like. Can you tell me what type of stuff you do when you build a website and why I should choose you?
Absolutely. Happy to give you a sense of what we do. Watermark Design specializes in building custom WordPress websites for small businesses. Every site is designed to look professional, generate leads, and be easy for you to update yourself. We include features like contact forms, photo galleries, service pages.
Okay, that's good enough.
Blogs.
All right. I will reach out to Mark directly. I think I have his cell phone, so thank you for your time. Bye.
You're welcome, Mark. Thanks for calling Watermark Design. Have a great day.
All right, so that was one quick call, example of somebody just looking for a website. For me, that works. I'll show another example would be, say somebody's soliciting. Oh, so here's the thing. So I just got a text message that was with the conversation here. I'll try to show it on the, so here's the text message. It came in, just gives me a quick summary of what that call was about that we just had. And it also will send me an email with the transcript of everything that's there so I can follow up pretty quickly with that person that called in. The next thing we'll show here is, say they're a solicitor and they're just trying to sell me something. We'll see how he handles that.
Thanks for calling Watermark Design. This is Finn. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I was wondering, do you guys need your cleaning done for your bathrooms and your building?
Thanks for reaching out, but we're all set on cleaning services right now. Well, I appreciate you checking in. Hope you have a great day.
Oh, hey, yeah. So you don't need anything cleaned in your office? We're local. We're in the area.
Thanks for letting me know, but we're not looking for any new cleaning services at the moment. I appreciate you reaching out, though. Have a wonderful day.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. Take care and have a great rest of your day.
All right, so that was one example of somebody that solicit. I get that sometimes they're saying they'll come clean my office. We'll try another one here where, let's think here, another one that I get. We'll try that also.
Thanks for calling Watermark Design. This is Finn. How can I help you today?
Hey, we're calling to see if you guys can use any funding for your business. We can give you a $500,000 loan to your business today and help you increase your business. Is this something you'd be interested in?
Thanks for reaching out, but we're not interested. Have a great day.
So there's no example. People are trying to give you loans. We got insurance companies calling. We got people that are pretending to be Google and say your business is not located. Cleaning companies. That's just to name a couple that I get sometimes. And you can see that he handled those two pretty quickly. If you do not have a GoHighLevel account, check out the free 30-day free trial below in the link in the comments there in the description. And you can get signed up today. You can do a 30-day directly through me. Or if you aren't a DIYer, do it yourself, you can reach out to me directly and I can set it up for you. These have been great for my business, and so now I'm just letting other people know about it too. All right, so the first thing, this is kind of the prompt that's in here, what it's going to do. I'm not going to run through all this, but I put this in here. This is the receptionist. I'm just calling him Finn, my AI receptionist, and he can transfer calls, appointment bookings, and then the knowledge base here, I'll show you real quick, as I have a bunch of documents that I basically just put in ChatGPT, prompted it about my business and told it, after ChatGPT has known about my business for over a year and what I use it for, it was pretty easy to train it, and it wrote out these different questions, that common things that come up, and I organized it. So like web design services, AI voice agents, how to answer that, reputation management, existing clients, what to do, frequently asked questions, and you can go in here and it'll just different questions, when we were founded, stuff about the business. And so this is just a example of what all this, it can pull the FAQs that we have uploaded, 19 different things. All right, so those are a couple examples. Try to show you how that looks now in GoHighLevel. You can see a transcript here of the whole conversation. So you can always come back to the call to see if something doesn't come through. Say the text message or the email doesn't give you all the notes that you need. You can always click into the voice AI here, and you can click on and go to the dashboard. You can actually see different conversations that we've had. This is the live one, so we're not going to be able to see in there, but I come into my calendar, you'll be able to see that booking. That'd be a good example to show you. So we can see John Smith here. He booked an appointment. There's John Smith at electrical.com. His name, information, you can click on it. Appointment description, wants updates, consultation for his website. So it just gives you a quick overview. I'll show you. So these are what the recap emails look like. So you can see the person who they called in, what they wanted. Here's a couple of examples. So call duration, 43 seconds. But you can see that the transcripts come in, so you don't even have to log into GoHighLevel. It actually email you each call, what happened here. And then another part you can do, and now you can see my appointment booking that came into my email here. So it says his name, phone number, and that's been booked. And then you can actually look at that in the calendar that we already showed. So those are just some things that are helping my business, because some pain points that I have is missed calls, busy helping customers, nights, weekends, lunch, vacation, those type of things. And now I don't have to worry about that, because one thing, the AI receptionist never gets upset with anybody. They're always available. They can take multiple calls at once and book appointments. It answers any common questions I've already taught it on, and then notifications. It can send me an SMS, email, transcript, summary, and recordings. I can do all that and see that in GoHighLevel. I'm trying to think what else to tell you about that, but I mean, that's really the crazy part about this, and I'm only going to be teaching and making it better. So if this is something that you want for your business, let me know in the comments, or if you have any questions, you're trying to get it set up for your GoHighLevel account and you're having troubles. I've had nothing but good things for the AI reception. It's been working really well for my business, and I've only had it up for a couple of weeks here. I've been hesitant to make it live because a lot of times my customers will want to talk to me directly, but I just had a call today and it just pushed it through. The AI receptionist just said, do you want to speak to Mark, when they said they want to speak to Mark, and it actually came to my cell phone. So that worked out well. So if it's something that interests you, remember I have GoHighLevel link down below, 30-day free trial if you want to get set up yourself. Or if you want me to help you, you can reach out to us directly in the comments or through my contact page that is in the description also below. Let me know in the comments below also, is there anything that you guys are having troubles with GoHighLevel, website building, AI receptionist, super agents, social media posting, any of that type of stuff. Now I'm going to put up above right here the next video that talks about AI receptionist a little more, how to set up a 24/7 and like digs into actually setting that up. All right, check out the video up here.